There's no doubt that Student Volunteer Connections has a very substantial interaction with the local community here and with communities worldwide. And that's really important because it forms a network that students here can engage in. Very significant in the local community because it exposes students to the activities and actions and needs in the local community and gives them a base to work from. But very important too in the international sphere or beyond Guelph's borders, because what you learn is that everything that goes on here is just a microcosm of things that are going on in the rest of the world, and that you can make a contribution in any of these venues or possibly all of them, and that it's just important for people to be able to see where they fit in the panoply of ways in which volunteers can be engaged.
With SVC, the connection with SVC has been really beneficial for us because a lot of times we get big jobs that have to get done, and SVC volunteers coming out as a group in particular can help get those big jobs done. And this connection with the University of Guelph is even more beneficial because many of these students are interested in veterinary sciences. So some of them already have experience with animals, and we can offer them experience with animals as well, which can help with when it comes time to apply for vet school at UG. So SVC, the partnership has been wonderful, and being able to call on SVC volunteers has been very helpful for us.
The Donkey Sanctuary is a lot of fun because not only do you, well, first off, you get to hang out with donkeys, and that's pretty good. Not many places you can say that. But also you get to feel like you're helping something that's really worthwhile. It's really making a difference. It's cool because you get to really see your impact. So I remember one time we came and we cleaned up sticks and branches for the afternoon, for a morning, and then got to play with the donkeys. And you can see the impact that you're having. It's really cool.
And we're always looking to gain new volunteers. We think it's a really rewarding experience, and a lot of people seem to get something out of working with animals. It's very soothing. Generally dependent on SVC reaching out to us, and then we're always happy to comply and get more help. It's a farm, there's always work to be done.
I suppose I'd really like to say thank you. Thank you to students who do engage in volunteer activity. It's an incredible contribution that collectively we at the University of Guelph make to our communities, both here in the city and county of Guelph. But it's also important to have that relationship to be two-way, and to have members of our community, both locally and internationally, engage with our students, be open to accepting them, help them learn many of the important features of being an active and effective volunteer, and also to celebrate with us when we clearly make some very significant contributions to communities around the world.